took it.
That's wonderful. Did you take my class Introduction to Engineering Design?
No, no, I didn't take this class. Only professional.
Good. Great, excellent. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to decide what we want to do, right? So to do
Yes.
this, it's very good if you tell me what you can do, right? So everybody's on Slack. So there's this app called Miro. So are you guys on laptops now or phones?
I'm on the phone, doctor. But
Where
I
are you?
have my laptop working.
Okay, so can you open Slack?
Okay, just a minute.
Yeah, us. Everybody else, can you say something? Say hello.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, what up? Okay, so we're gonna use an app called Miro.com. So this is it. And he asked if you do pottery and ceramic. No, okay.
I think I think Saeed is lagging.
Yes, puppy. My dad is here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a for you called Senior Project Boys. Senior Project 2021 Boys. And anybody can edit. So we're gonna do that. This is gonna be our, and okay,
Abdullah.
let's see, are you guys here? Where are you? Here, yeah? This is here, yeah?
Yes. Just
Channel
1
off,
second. I still
random.
didn't enter.
Okay. Great, so this is the board. So everybody go to this link I posted on Slack. And we're gonna do a Trello as well, so we know what we're doing. Trello.
The one on
So,
general, doctor? The general channel?
yeah, general channel, yeah, we'll talk in general.
Okay. Miro.com.
Boards, I'm gonna make a new board. Create board. Yes, yeah. UAU. Divan, Senior Project, Boys. We'll create board. Okay, so we are in week 5. And this is intro. Oh, and this to do. Doing. Do you know what I'm doing? Great. And I'm gonna share this.
Doctor?
Yeah.
I just have a question regarding the end at the report that has to be submitted at the end of the semester.
Yeah.
Doctor, is the university expecting us to make something like real, or just an idea that we can?
Well, if you look at the grading, how they grade the first semester, you don't have to do anything real. You can
Hypothetically.
you just need to write a very long report with lots of references, and that's it. Okay.
Nice.
With that, you can get an A. In the second semester, if you look at the rubric, how they grade you, you have to code something, and it has to work. Not everything, but some part of it has to work. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you, Doctor.
Checkable tour. Thanks a lot. But okay, does it make sense to you guys? So you have to code something, show some code, build something real. That's what you have to do. Sounds good?
Okay, nice.
Something real. I mean, if your project is about virtual reality game, so a small demo, right? So it can be a demo, it can be a mock-up. It's better if there is some code. They like that, right? The first project, they like, you know, show the Gantt chart, show the plan, you know, show that you did a lot of background research. If you have a lot of references, like I'm talking about 60, 50, it's good, proper formatting, no mistakes, right? And so what happens usually is that the boys, usually they don't do anything for 5 months, and then the last month they wake up and they start working, and then it shows in the report. It's so clear that they just did everything in a rush. And then they don't get an A and they get sad. So if you want an A, what you can do is create a Google Docs from now on, and you start writing the report. And in the report, you just write basically what you did, the work you do. Like if you do 1 week of research, you write it there, what you have researched, what you have discovered in your research. Yeah. If you do a planning, so you pictures there of your Gantt chart, your Excel chart, your schedule, what you think is going to happen. Yeah. And so on. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
So the point is that you learn how to document things and how to do things. And that's why there's this emphasis on the report. It's like you can get an A without coding anything basically in this lecture. So yeah. Now,
Doctor?
what you do is not important. Like if it's a good idea or a bad idea, it doesn't matter. I mean, it's better if it's a good idea. It's better if it's useful for some company, because then you have more chance to be in the newspaper, win an award, and you know, get connections, networking, which is what you have to do now. That's good.
Yes.
So if you know some company, some place that they have a problem that you think you could solve as a senior project, well, that's fantastic. That's great. Yeah. So if you look at senior projects like here, many of them are like robots, or others are apps, or others are chatbots, others are weird things, right? So, and some projects, they code nothing. Nothing is real, and they get a good grade because, you know, they check the boxes to get a good grade, right?
Yes.
So, you know, the report, because when you do the presentation, then we get a form and say, did he do this? Yeah. Did he do that? Yeah. Did he do this? Tick, 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 tick. And that's how you get the grade. It's a bit unfair, but that's life. Now, everybody's on Miro?
Yes.
Yes.
Using my mouse?
Yes, we can see you.
Oh, awesome. Okay, so we're gonna do first is I wanna know you better. So look at me what I'm doing.
Yes.
Oh, look at this. Awesome or what?
Awesome.
Yes.
So I want you to put here your name in the, hold on, give me a second. Wait, hold it. In the green ones, you put your name. Okay, so I'm gonna make a few more copies. How many are we? Wow. Okay, put your names in the green ones. And then I put my skills here. Fill the post-its. Come on, fill the post-its, don't be shy.
Okay.
What are your skills, superpowers? Be specific. What software do you know? What can you do? What do you like doing? Do you like correcting mistakes, proofreading, writing?
Double click to write.
Yes.
Doctor.
Yeah.
I don't have the Slack link
Well,
because I
why don't
joined
you ask
late.
ask your friends to give it to you. No?
Okay.
Can you share it with him, please?
I will send you the link, Zaid.
Technology cloud robots.
Thank you very much, Khaled.
Excellent. You got it? Okay, fill the skills you have, guys. Don't wait. What skills do you have?
Doctor, in terms of skill, like what skills exactly? Are they social skills or IT skills?
Everything.
Everything?
Do you know Python? Put Python. What can you do?
Okay.
What can you do?
Okay.
Hobbies as well.
Okay.
Like what hobbies do you have? Falcons, horses. What is it? What are your hobbies?
شو WKF؟
Karate?
كاراتيه.
Amazing.
سعيد حط سكيلز.
Great. Do you see my screen? Yes. So your hobbies make the color different, like I don't know, red or something. Very good. Red.
Doctor?
Yeah.
What do you mean by crypto? Is it cryptocurrencies?
Yeah,
Doctor, have you invested in any?
absolutely yes.
Which type, Doctor?
Which type? 2013, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and then a token called Spice BC Fund. My friend started a fund, a crypto fund called Spice BC. He was the CTO of Duke, and now he's in Miami. And then that's all, I think. Yeah, Dogecoin, of course.
Doctor, when you bought in 2013, when did you sell it?
Listen, you ask a lot of questions.
No, because
He likes this.
Yes, I like cryptocurrency. I like.
Perfect.
Yes.
You can put things that you like in a different color, like blue or whatever. Yeah. So if you like crypto, put crypto there in blue. That's also interesting.
Okay. I'm sorry, Doctor, for asking.
Oh no, I'm kidding. You can come to the Bitcoin meetup. We have a very good meetup every month, and you can meet real hackers. And we have a Signal group. If you want, I will add you, and you can learn from the real So my friend had a lot of Bitcoins and somebody robbed him in the summer in the Arabian ranches and he lost like 3,000 coins or something. Can you believe it? It's a lot of
Yes,
money.
to be honest, I'm interested to.
Okay, so you guys like crypto? That's a really, really good project to do because so I was we were teaching, I was teaching this course called ITCO 601 where we teach crypto, blockchain and how to build a wallet and all that stuff. And it was quite interesting. So if you're interested in crypto, a crypto app, a crypto project with blockchain or, you know, an app to buy and sell crypto, for example, or something that runs on crypto, I think it's very interesting because nobody knows or understands crypto. And so this can be really fun. MIT just launched their own cryptocurrency.
Mhm.
Let me check it for you. What was the name? Oh, it's called Pi. It's quite interesting. You can mine with your phone. That's pretty good.
But Doctor, mining doesn't give a lot of Bitcoins, or I mean a lot of currencies. It's very simple and it depends on the power of the processor, right?
Absolutely, you're correct. And there's always this dilemma between should I mine or should I invest in the coin? So I wrote a paper about it actually, because all my friends were asking me this question. So I have lots of friends that have mining rigs, and if you want, you can go and visit them. They're in Quain. You want to go and visit? They have built a huge mining operation, and you can learn a lot. You want to go and visit them? That would be very good. You can be a research and you can put it in the report. It's in the middle of the desert, but my friend is there, so he will treat you very well.
Okay.
You can also see a lot of interesting stuff apart from mining.
What do you think?
It's amazing.
Me?
Yes.
I think it's interesting, to be honest, but it's too early to say because there is too much topics in our minds.
That's very normal and very good and healthy. Okay, next one.
Doctor, you know the problem? For example, if we want to do something, like we don't have enough skills. So if we will need skills, we will need them from you, Doctor. Like we want to start in robots or app designing or cryptocurrencies, but we don't have enough experience or.
Okay, who was the guy who likes crypto? You,
skills.
yeah? What's your name?
No, it's not me. It's Abdullah.
Abdallah. So you should put crypto somewhere and you make it orange or something. So this is things that you want to learn in orange color. And then in blue color, companies that you have connection with. So if you own a bakery, for example, you should put bakery in blue color. Yeah, put your connections, something like that. And what does white color mean?
شو الأبيض سعيد؟
Okay, so Abdullah, you have a connection with Dar Al Shifa Hospital.
أقول لك
Yes.
لو عبد الله
نعم.
لون لي الاب ديفلوبمنت بايثون وروبوتس.
Orange ولا red?
Orange.
Orange is things you want to learn, skills you want to learn.
روبوتس.
شباب الأحمر شو يعني؟
وجديد تو بودي بيلدينج حطهن رد.
ليش شو الرد؟
رد هوبيز.
والبرتقالي شو؟
what you want to learn.
خلينا نحط أشياء زيادة. كأنه في واحد ناقص شباب.
استروا عليه.
So, okay, do you see my
Yes.
screen now? So this is operational operations, right? Oh, this should be. Oh no! Oh no! Ledger journal. Yeah. Oh, okay. PDF only. No, it
Shabab,
should be ledger journal. Ledger journal. Okay. So I wrote this paper a few years ago, 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. But no, I don't want this. I just want. Ah, okay. Copy link address. And look, Miro is so awesome. So I can put things here. Right? So I can copy paste things here, like this link. Right? Or I can create a link here that you can use it. Right? So this is gonna be the PDF. Sounds good? All right, the next exercise we will do is brainstorm. So 10 ideas before. So type here some projects that you think you could do, like crypto app. Right? Or, and then here you put examples, like for example, Beat Oasis. Yes. Or resources like when so we also have. So here, just trying to organize knowledge, right? So this is paper. And net point power. Net point power. All right, so let's see. And here could be the Bitcoin, right? So there's this Bitcoin meetup. It's amazing.
Doctor?
Yeah.
Can we choose topics like we can suggest topics related to the COVID pandemic, or do you think it's boring as everyone did it already?
No, I think it's a very good idea. We did some research about COVID pandemic, so you could totally do it. Why not? So put it there. Yeah, if you like that, absolutely yes. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give you the phone number of the uni. Give me a second. Okay, Bayumi, I have some students doing a senior project. They might be interested in visiting your mining paradise. So I'm gonna send you his contact number, okay? Well, Abdullah. So you
Yes.
call him, just
Yeah.
give him a call and say, I'm a student of Dr. Jose. Can I come and visit your mining rigs? See what he says.
Doctor, he won't say no, it's not allowed or something.
No, he's my friend.
Oh, okay.
حسنا من شبله.
Nice.
دكتور
Is it okay, doctor, if I'd like go me and we are 4 or 5 people?
Yeah, much better. You should go, 4 or 5 people, otherwise they will eat you alive.
Doctor, is it like the computers, like a warehouse full of computers that keep mining?
Yeah, man, it's technically so complex. Like there's refrigeration, filters. It's amazing. It's a marvel of engineering. Let's see. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, you have the phone number now. You can call him. That's Bayumi. Okay, you got it?
Sure. Yes.
Oh, he will
What
be.
is
So,
his
and
name, doctor?
you need a guys. You need a 4-wheel drive because there's sand, so you will not be able to go with a normal car.
PlayStation.
Yes, Khalid has a Land Cruiser.
Yeah, Land Cruiser will be fine, but Corolla no.
Okay.
Good. Okay, so that's one you could do. This crypto exchange something up. The other one is COVID. Very good. So I want you to read one of our papers because we have a very good data set.
Sure. Doctor?
Yeah.
If we're going to choose the crypto app, like what is it exactly going to talk about?
We don't know yet. So we need to see what's going on. For example, I know Lulu Group wants to make a super app, financial app, like a new bank. And so how do you make that people can buy and sell cryptos? How do you set up exchange? Technologically, it's very complicated, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you need to, for example, a project could be to advise a new company how to set up something like B2Oasis. How do you do it? So technically, it's not easy. You need a lot of technology. So you could build a prototype of exchange, of a crypto exchange. Yeah, that could be super awesome. A lot of code there, a lot of technology that you have to learn, a lot of technology stack. What kind of wallet, authentication, hot wallet, cold wallet. Oh, so many things you have to check. So I think that's amazing. Like that's totally fascinating topic. Set up a crypto exchange. Sounds good.
Very good, doctor.
So to me, that's fantastic. I mean, if you guys do what everybody else is doing, the typical Android Studio app, it's like, and then you graduate, and then people will tell you, okay, what you did, a Java app that everybody else knows how to do it. They teach how to do these apps in the high school.
Yes.
Do you think you're gonna get a good job? No. But if you know something that nobody else can do, like how to set up a crypto exchange, nobody else, because nobody teaches that. Right? So that's a very good skill that what might get you a good job. Makes sense?
Yes, doctor. Makes sense.
But depends what you want. You want to do what everyone else is doing and go to the easy way. But these things are hard. It requires a lot of, it's not, it's like Java 30 years ago. It was difficult. Now it's very easy. Okay, COVID-19, we have a very good preprint paper that we did in collaboration with the Mohammed bin Rashid School of Public Policy, and that's amazing. So read this paper if you're interested. Sounds good?
Yes. Bookmark it.
Wonderful. So here you are. And that's all for today. Just add topics, research, go to Bayumi. So in this phase, all you have to do is research and document things. And what I recommend that you start a Google Doc, and that is the basis of your final project. And you start adding things there. So look at previous years, how they build a final project. Pick one example, make it online, collaboratively, so I can see how much you're working, right? So that you don't leave it. Because all these things that you're going to do, like go and visit the mining rigs, you have to add it in the report. This is things you're doing, you have to document them. Otherwise you forget. And it's part of your work. So like you will say, yeah, we went to visit this, we learn all these things. Sounds good?
Yes.
Also read the paper Read the paper I wrote about this one. Make sure you read it, okay? Super important you read this paper if you're gonna go into mining or stuff like that. And then I've seen a few topics that you like you have a connection with Dar Al Shifa Hospital. That's amazing, Abdullah. So you can ask them, what problems do you have?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Sure. Yes. I'll see.
I
Because
have, yeah.
mhm. In the
Jiu-Jitsu,
like,
that's interesting.
yes, Dr. Khalid is a champion in jiu-jitsu.
Oh my God, can you teach me, man? It's gonna
Yes,
be
I
awesome.
have no problem, doctor.
Make an app that teaches me Jiu-Jitsu. Oh,
Okay, no problem. I will do it.
right. I know karate, but if you know Jiu-Jitsu, we can decide who knows more better. Which
We
one
can
is
make
better.
an app for jiu-jitsu, doctor.
Doctor,
Actually,
Uh,
but think out of the box, okay? Like now you have these things, right?
yes.
They detect movement. You have the virtual reality glasses, right? So you have lots of things that didn't exist before. And so there's all these things, and there's also this need to teach without people because coronavirus, no? So if can you develop some jiu-jitsu robot to teach jiu-jitsu? You know what I mean?
Yes, yes.
Don't
But
be
doctor,
afraid
these
to
stuff are complicated.
don't worry
Like-
about if it's complicated. I will tell you if it's complicated. Yes. Maybe we
Yeah.
can get a cheap robot that does jiu-jitsu, or we can get a soft robot from my friends in Japan that can do the jiu-jitsu. So think about these things. Actually, a jiu-jitsu robot could be fun. There's already robots that teach you how to dance. So jiu-jitsu boy, you could call it jiu-jitsu boy, right? Don't think it's impossible or expensive. That's not your problem. That's my problem. Okay. You just think crazy ideas. I want to see 10 crazy
I
ideas
want to
here.
see the ideas.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it?
Yes, Doctor.
got it.
I made a Trello board for you guys. I passed it on Slack. So homework is add more crazy ideas to Miro for number 2. Sounds good?
Yes, Doctor.
And that's to do for next week. And the skill matrix is done today. Onboarding. Wait.
Have a nice
Onboarding.
day, doctor.
Yes, hold on. And then you have also homework. Field trip, 9 weeks from
Doctor?
Alcoin.
But
Yeah.
we want you to come with us. We will go all together.
No. I already been there. And I'm busy. My dad is here. I cannot come with you.
Oh, okay.
But maybe one day I will go. But may you miss my super good friend. His sister works in Alain Hospital. Very nice. And he will treat you very well. Don't worry.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
And you will love it. It's amazing. It's in the middle of the desert. There's also a zoo. You will love it. Don't worry. Filtering mining tricks, Alcoin, and then what else? Oh yeah, set up Google.
Doctor?
Yeah.
The problem now is now I think today or yesterday they because of the COVID cases, everything is becoming more tight. Now the cinemas are closed again. Now the wedding halls are closed. 50% of the
Very
restaurants
strict.
are closed. Yes, everything is very, now it's very like shaky. The situation is not.
Yes, there's always something wrong in the world. So are you gonna stop doing cool things because of that? Of course not. Right? You just wear your masks and do social distancing. That's all. Yeah.
Yes,
Sounds good.
sounds good.
Wear the mask, disinfectant, social distance, 2-3 meters.
Okay,
That's good.
good.
Okay, do you see the board? These are 3 things you have to do, yeah? I
Sure,
don't know
doctor,
when or
by next
how.
week.
Okay, no, whenever it's ready, like just right. That's it. That's a pleasure. I'll see you soon.
Thank you,
Thank you.
doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Super awesome. Ciao, ciao.
Doctor,
Yeah,
when do we meet again?
I would say as often as we complete a cycle of tasks, right? So as soon as you've done this, or when you need my feedback on your Miro board that you have updated a lot of stuff, you tell me, hey, can you have a look? And then we have a look and we have another discussion.
Okay, thank you so much.
As soon as you think you need,
Thank you.
yeah? Ideally every 10 days, every 5 days. Doesn't have to be every week the same day.
Okay,
Yeah, so it's more agile. It's like you finish a chunk of work. This is called a sprint. It's work for 1 or 2 weeks. You do it, you finish it, bang. We decide what we do in the next week. Yeah.
okay.
Super awesome. Bang bang.
Thank you
See
so
you
much.
soon.
Thank you.
Ciao ciao.
Tango.